So let's move on to the next question, which is just a step above, the other questions that we just saw in terms of its level of difficulty or the challenge it presents. Okay, so let's check what is the concept it is based on. Obviously, it is based on the concept of LCM and HCF. Let us understand the question. It says LCM and HCF of two numbers are x and y. Numbers x and y are respectively 6 and 210. So the HCF is 6 and LCM is 210. Now, one thing that we can typically, a method we can traditionally or typically adopt when you notice such statements is that if you assume the numbers x to be h times a and y to be h times b, where h is their HCF, then it automatically means a and b are two co-prime numbers. Okay, so just think about it. If you have, for example, 12 and if you have 20, what's the HCF of 12 and 20? The HCF is 4. So 12 is 4 times 3 and 20 is 4 times 5. So therefore 4 and 4 is common to that because that's the HCF. So but if you look at 3 and 5, 3 and 5 are co-prime to each other. So if you know this, solving this question perhaps would be, would make your life easy. So if you write x plus y as 72, which is h times a plus h times b, take h common. And what is the value of h? H is nothing but 6. So divide this by 6, you get a plus b equal to 12. Now, hang on, just let us understand how to proceed from here. So this is first leg of the solving process where you need to think through this. Now, you know that a and b are two co-prime numbers, right? So therefore, the only set of possible values you can have is 1, 11, of course, 11, 1, or 5, 7, or 7, 5. Is there any other possibility? No. So if you think about it, you've got 2, 10, which is not co-prime, 3, 9, again not co-prime, 4, 8, not co-prime, 5, 7 is co-prime, and 6, 6 is not possible. So therefore, these are the only two possibilities. There could be 4 if you list it the other way around. So 11, 1 and 7, 5 is also accepted. Yeah, now let's proceed. Yes, so A and B are two co-prime. So therefore, if you think about the numbers now in its entirety, you've got x equal to 6a and y equal to 6b. So if you substitute a as 1 and b as 11, you get the numbers to be 6 and 66. If you substitute a as 5 and b as 7, you get 6 5s are 30 and 6 7s are 42. What is the LCM then of 6 and 66? What's the LCM? It's 66, right? What's the LCM of 30 and 42? 30 can be written as 6 times 5 and 42 can be written as 6 times 7. So 6, 5, 30, 30 into 7 is 210, which is the acceptable set of numbers. Not the first one, but the second one. Therefore, 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 30 plus 1 by 42. LCM would obviously be 210, 37s and 42 into 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. This cancels 2 times, 6 2 times, and 6 35 times. So therefore, the answer is 2 by 35.